Hey there, everyone. I'm Thomas the Tank Engine, and welcome to PBS Kids Studios. Come and join me and my friends for this fun ride. I wonder how the show is gonna end. He's got a point, Barney. And we want to know, are you really up to something? Very interesting, Caillou. Very interesting. Let me go talk to him. Hey there, Caillou. Can we talk? I just want to talk. Caillou, in the beginning, you were a good friend. But now, you are a traitor! Open wide, Caillou! Oh, hey guys, I'm back. Oh, Caillou, I killed him. Well, he betrayed us, so he had to pay the price. And also, guys, I heard that they are going to tear us apart and send us to the theme park division. So, I don't think we're going to let that happen. Good. Now, let's go. Well. Look what we have here. Now time for a little sign. Well, like they say, little engines can do big things, especially if they have a blue chainsaw and paint like me. My plan is going very well so far. Going up. Time's almost up. Hey, what? Let go of me. Nap time's over. Batter up. Not so fast. Well. Looks like you're still alive. So you forgot about me, huh? Well, that is exactly what goes on in my life. No one talks to me, treat me nicely, or even care about me. And I had to go through all of this by tricking that bossy anteater and that dumb dinosaur, that annoying Muppet, and the rest of my dumb friends. And now I had enough. I'm gonna end this right now. You bet I am a monster, you little piece of crap. But since you jerks had to ruin everything, I guess I have no choice but to kill you all right here. No, Wah! What the Elmo? What are you doing here? I'm giving you one warning, Elmo. Stay out of my way. That's it. I had enough. Aw, what's wrong, Elmo? Don't you have a heart? You little traitor. Wait, what does that mean? Wait, what? Well, Elmo, please, no.